we have a Super Nintendo with HD. But what happens if we put some extra accessory from the past? Let's test out the Pro Fighter X Turbo on this thing. Alright people, I am behind my capture card again, and it's time to plug in this old beast, and let's see if it even works, because it always remains a question. Let's find out. Plug it in the HD Super Nintendo. Power is on, and let's see if something happens. Because I'm really curious. And I have powered on the system. It's getting a signal, so that's one thing for sure, but it doesn't do anything. So if I'm doing it a little bit around, last time I saw it, yeah, a little bit that it has a connection, but it seems not to be working. So yeah people, for the final conclusion about the Pro Fighter X Turbo, the Super Nintendo HD is really awesome, but it doesn't support any old accessory or other stuff. Yeah, maybe the Super Game Boy will work, but that is original. Yeah, there's an original piece of hardware from Nintendo itself. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. And stay strong, stay positive, and game on. Hi fellow YouTubers, I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you also can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, yeah, don't give a shit about Twitter. But Instagram, I make pretty picture and I send on Instagram. So yeah, follow me.